Hi everyone, this is today's session of Arfeen The Incredible You Coach 5-Day Challenge Day 2 video I am going to make. I attended the second day session, and you can watch the first day session in my YouTube channel. Today has been a hectic day for me. I attended around 5 hours of webinars today. 2 hours parental coaching sessions I attended, 2 hours digital marketing webinar session I attended, and 1 hour this Arfeen 5-Day Challenge coaching program I attended apart from my job. And a lot of learning will be there if you want to change your career or if you want to improve yourself. You need to be patient and put up lot of hours of learning. You should be in a mindset of learning. And I make videos and reviews of webinars and other programs related to digital marketing, coaching, personal development, and I try to save time and money. I attend so many paid sessions also and free sessions also, and everyone may not find time to attend such a long sessions. So I want to make videos which will be helpful to get basic idea of what are the sessions, so that when you attend further you will grasp more, you will be able to grasp more, analyze more, and you can watch other videos on my YouTube channel and my Facebook group. You can find those links in the description, and you can subscribe to my channel and watch other videos if you find the information relevant and useful. And briefly about Arfeen, he has been in the coaching industry, speaking industry for over 25 years, and he could able to make people successful, around 5,000 people, successful coaches across different countries. He could make money at the age of 21, successful, and by the time he reached 24 years, he lost most of the money, and he had so many setbacks. And what he realized was he had no long-term goals, long-term business plans, no proper mindset, and he has to go through a lot of tough situations as per the video I attended, which he mentioned. And now he has become successful and he is helping many others to become coaches. Coaching industry is booming. If you want to change your career, women and men of any age group, in this COVID situation, so this is one of the good options. Definitely you should look into. And he has written so many books, around 10 books he has written. He has appeared in many reputed magazines and talk shows worldwide, and he helps you, whether you have experience in coaching or not. You can become a coach through his program. I'll discuss with you the second day content in few minutes. Helps in transforming people into successful coaches, irrespective of background. If you are willing to change yourself, whatever may be your background. So, and they gave a assessment test questionnaire. It would take 20 minutes, and I took the session also, the test, and I got like my attitude as a reformer, psychometric test, something like that. I got as a reformer. And today's session has attended by 64 people from various countries. So very interesting people, good conversation. There was a good conversation, all from various backgrounds, various countries. Naina, the anchor host who had been yesterday, she's also the host today. She had some network issues, and Pranita Kar, she came in between, and there were some good testimonials, videos. The one thing I observed about Arfeen videos is training program and videos. They are very strong in digital platforms. They conducted like 4,000 people live session for 2 days across 10 countries recently, and the kind of videos they conduct, they create, they're very impactful. When they see the people reactions in the group, so many people are impressed and impactful. When I compare to most of the big budget movies also, compared to them, these videos are on par with them. So he has good PR team. The people who are making these social media platforms running, they are very good. He has chosen the right people, I suppose, and they would help us after going through the training. They would help us do the social media part for us to get the clients. It is a lot of time consuming if we ourselves want to get clients for us. So many things are there in digital marketing field. I am doing that process also, so I know that. So without all that headache, they need a lot of learning, a lot of hard work to learn digital marketing if you want to be like successful. So all these things, they would help us to get clients once you are trained with them. They have been transforming many people. I wrote some points in the notepad, that's why I'm reading from them to reduce the wastage of time. Program name would be Incredible You. It will be 10-week coaching system program. Weekly 2 hours if you are able to spend. You can do part-time, full-time as your wish, as per what the details they gave in the video. So one important thing is what he mentioned in the video. Coaching program need not to be one-to-one session. In fact, one-to-one, if you keep on like after a week, you'll be get bored. Instead of that, he's conducting group sessions, and it has its own benefits for both the parties. Like the people who are attending, they don't need to invest more money. Money will be shared between different people who are the participants. So it is going to give good value for lesser cost. And apart from that, you are going to get a lot of support, encouragement, and like-minded people in the group. You will have different perspectives, multiple perspectives. So you can learn fast, you can grow fast. Everyone brings their own knowledge, their wisdom. There will be a lot of discussions and support when there is a doubt. So like that, he planned in the system in that way. And one good example he gave, like if you want to make a coffee, what all the ingredients needed, like milk, tea, cup, machine, everything. He's developed a system to make a good coffee. So whoever is interested, if they follow the system, they'll be able to make coffee. Similarly, weight loss program also. If you follow the regime given by the trainer over a period of 3 months to 6 months, you are going to lose weight and come into your best fitness. So the system is important. It's not dependent on the person. That's one of the great thing I observed. Whoever follows the system, they will automatically develop their skills, required skills to become a coach. That's wonderful, I feel. So as a coach, because there are multiple people, coach is also going to earn good amount of money. Of course, if there is a person in need, they don't want to be a part of group. If they are able to afford, they can go for one-to-one session. Today we had a discussion in this session, African session and parenting session also, like about tagging people. So for example, you are in influential position, like you are a coach, parent, or someone related to the child who is responsible. They come, and if you just tag the person as, suppose the parent says, my child is very active, not like, he is very difficult to make him settle down, and if you just tag a word like ADHD, hyperactivity, and they keep on repeating that word, their surrounding people, everyone, even the teachers, if they tag the people, even the people in a corporate world, the senior managers tag the people, so other people start repeating them, mocking them. Automatically, those people will feel themselves, they tag themselves as, yeah, having hyperactivity, so I will be like this only. So that is very important for the people who are in influential positions, and they should not tag anyone. So one of the example, like, who attended 19 years old person, he has been tagged like that since childhood, and these people could counsel him like that, that's you are hyperactive when you are a child, and the child is like that only, is very active, lively. So he felt very happy, energetic. So it is very difficult to break the beliefs. Many people carry those beliefs into their adulthood, even into their old age. They keep on holding that, carrying that burden. So coach should be able to understand that, and you please don't tag them. If you are already feeling like that, come out of that mold. Help yourself. Today's question was, suppose you earn $10,000 per month, how is it going to impact your life? We were asked to write the answer for that. Obviously, we will not be worried about our day to day life expenses and EMIs. We will do some investments. We are going to travel across the world and try to help others, and invest some amount of money in ourselves. And myself, most of the answers, the group gave these answers, and apart from that, what I feel like, even that is small amount to make a big impact on the society and the planet. So we need to invest more in myself, in ourselves, and we need to create more money to make big impact. Even that 10,000 is not a big amount, what I feel. And I would invest a lot of money in self improvement and to develop systems to help others. So that's what the answer I gave them. I sent them message. They would ask us to send a message, because nowadays people are having nuclear families and no proper guidance. So people are looking for some who can guide them. So a person like who has been in a teenager employee, he has been having some trouble with finding right relationships, balancing and maintaining relationship. So he attended the session, the testimonial. He attended the session 2.5 years back. He was working with them for part time. Later, he and his girlfriend and wife now, they became full-time coaches. So it's for one interesting testimonial. And one more testimonial they showed, like a woman who's having a textile business, and she got married to a person she loved. That guy cheated her, took over the business, and asked her to take care of the children. And he cheated her and took over whole business and sent her out. So she attended one of the African session. She became confident, and now she is successful coach. One interesting point, like, she had small hair. Why she was having small hair, they asked, like, if I look masculine, so people don't try to cheat me. That's what she used to think. Now she's confident, and she learned many skills, and she has good hair, long hair, and she looks feminine and successful, confident. That is one interesting testimonial they showed. If a person is charged for coaching $550, how many clients do you need to earn $10,000 per month? They asked us calculation. So it's around 19 people. It comes to $10,450 for a period of 10 weeks. So that also I sent the answer for them. And tomorrow they are going to discuss about niche, how to select our niche to become successful in particular field, where you bring your own ideas and thoughts and experiences. Unique, you will become unique. So that would be tomorrow's session, they told. And the anchor host Naina showed her, like, she is in a travel in Kenya. It's wonderful, beautiful in silver. She showed us. It's very interesting and nice. You can have that time freedom, money freedom once you are successful. As an example, she told. So overall, it's okay, nice. And that's it in brief. If you find the video interesting, useful, you can watch my other videos also. You can subscribe to my channel. You can share, comment, share to those people who are needed, you feel. Thank you.